Hey there, just got done watching the Netflix film Leave the World Behind. It came out in 2023. It's a 2-hour and 21-minute long movie, and it is rated R. It is no internet, no phones, no going back to normal. Who can you trust at the world's end? I thought it actually was a pretty good movie. I wasn't super, thrilled with how they ended it, but I felt like it had a pretty decent pace. The pace was on the slower side, but they kept the mood and kind of like the suspense going at a good level that you didn't even notice that some parts of it were a little slow. But what'd you think, Lisa?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. It kept the suspense going solid till pretty much the end.
Oh yeah.
And keeps you guessing on. It's definitely worth a watch, but after that,
I wouldn't watch it again. But I think one time around is it's worth it. I'll see if I can find a trailer. If I can, I'll put that below. If you've seen Leave the World Behind, let me know what your thoughts on the movie was. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.